Greetings, my name is Dr. TM. I used to be an Asylum applicant. After several years, my asylum application was approved. I am a United States citizen now. I am thrilled to welcome you to Asylum in America, a channel where your most pressing questions about the asylum process are answered. I spent 12 years battling my asylum case to be approved, then getting a green card based on asylum, and finally, getting citizenship based on approved asylum. I intimately understand the uncertainties and challenges you may be facing as your case is being processed. The very questions you have now are the ones that I used to have as my case was being processed. In each video, I draw from my extensive first-hand experience to provide insights and guidance, sharing the knowledge I wish I had when I embarked on this transformative journey. Having received invaluable assistance along the way from other people and lawyers, I am passionate about paying it forward by offering the support and information you need to navigate the asylum process successfully. Your questions are important. Whether it's clarifying legal intricacies or offering practical advice, I am here to offer useful and practical steps to help you. Don't hesitate to reach out to me. Send me an email or drop your questions in the comments below. This week, I thought that I should talk about some of the big mistakes people have made in the asylum process here in America. These rookie mistakes and unforced errors have resulted in people being denied asylum in the affirmative action process or immigration court. My number one advice to prospective asylum applicants is to be careful and not make mistakes. And when you do that, you increase your chances of getting your asylum claim approved. Number 1. Failure to seek and utilize legal representation. I have met people who ended up getting their asylum claim denied because, even though they had a strong case, they were credible. They were not able to format and present the case in a way USCIS or an immigration judge understands. The strong evidence they had was not properly presented. Family, what I want you to know today, right now, is that if you are applying for asylum in America, you greatly increase your chances of success if you use an immigration lawyer. This issue requires a whole episode on its own, and I will do that episode in the future on how you can get free legal representation if you need it. Number 2. Asylum seekers must generally apply for asylum within 1 year of their arrival in the US. Failure to meet this deadline can result in denial, though there are exceptions for changed circumstances or extraordinary circumstances. This is one of the unforced rookie mistakes many people make. If you know that you are here in America and you need asylum, why wait? If you can, I advise submitting your application right away, even if you don't have enough evidence. It is better to have a weak application than to miss the deadline. Once you submit your application, you can always send more evidence later or at your interview. Number 3. If the asylum seeker has committed serious crimes, they may be denied asylum. This is self-explanatory. If you commit crimes in America, you might be denied asylum, and later, you might be denied your green card, or your citizenship application might be denied. My advice is that never commit any crimes. If you have a pending asylum case, do not do it. Do not speed on the highway. Do not commit a DUI. Do not do illegal drugs. Do not do any criminal activities of any kind if you want to be successful. Number 4. One of the mistakes people make is during immigration court hearings or during asylum processing interviews with an immigration officer. These people, the immigration judges and the immigration officers, are trained to make their decisions based only on facts. They want facts. I have seen people crying in court or during their interviews. That is a rookie mistake. Instead of crying, focus on the facts and tell your story clearly. You have more chance of success that way than crying and being emotional. Number 5. Missing appointments. I have seen people in the past who have pending asylum changing their addresses many times, with the result that they miss communications from USCIS or immigration court. In order to be successful, you need to cooperate fully with immigration authorities, attend all required interviews and hearings, and provide requested information promptly. You can't do that if you keep moving around the country, changing your address all the time. When you move, even when you update your address by filing Form R11, the alien's change of address card. USCIS sometimes never updates your file with the correct address. Thousands of people have ended up being deported because of missed letters from Immigration Court or USCIS. My advice is that, as long as your case is pending, do not move or change your address. These are the top 5 rookie mistakes that I have seen people make when navigating the asylum process here in America. Be careful not to make the same mistakes. Thank you for watching this week's episode. I genuinely hope the insights shared have enhanced your understanding, aiding you on your asylum journey in America. Are there burning questions on your mind? Perhaps you've personally traversed the asylum process and carry pearls of wisdom to share. I encourage you to contribute. Drop your questions and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you for watching, family. I wish you the best on your journey. See you next time.